Hello and welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record in Clickup. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Clickup application. Then this type of interface will appear in the screen once you have logged into your account. From the left side of the screen you can see a menu bar. There, hover your mouse to Clips option. There you can see a plus sign. From here you can record a clip or just click to Clips. There you can see record or snap option. Click on it, then it will record your screen. If this option doesn't work in your computer, just press Windows plus G. Then this type of interface will appear in the screen. Click to capture. Then you can capture your whole screen, or just you can turn off your mic and start recording your screen. This is how you can record screen in Clickup. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.